In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Crazy Domains to GoDaddy. If you're ready to make the switch, follow along as we guide you through the entire process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to Crazy Domains. This is where your domain is currently registered. You can either purchase a new domain here, or simply copy the details of your existing domain if you've already got one. Make sure you have all the necessary information at hand, as this will make the transfer process much smoother. Once you have your domain information ready, it's time to shift our focus to GoDaddy. Open your GoDaddy website builder project by logging into your account. This is where we'll be connecting your domain. After logging in, look for the Settings option in your project dashboard. Click on it to reveal a list of various settings that you can adjust. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Connect Domain option. Here's an important note. To connect a domain from Crazy Domains to GoDaddy, you will need to have an active plan with GoDaddy. If you haven't purchased a plan yet, you'll need to do that first. The plan is essential as it allows you to link your domain with GoDaddy's hosting services effectively. After purchasing a plan, proceed with the connection. This process might prompt you to enter specific details about your domain from Crazy Domains, such as the name servers or EPP code. These details are crucial for transferring your domain and ensuring it points correctly to your new GoDaddy hosting account. If you're unsure about how to find these details, it's always a good idea to check Crazy Domains support resources or contact their customer service for assistance. As you follow these steps, ensure that all the information you enter is accurate to avoid any connectivity issues. Once everything is correctly set up, GoDaddy will usually send a confirmation email or notification to let you know that the domain transfer is in progress. This process can take a few days, so patience is key here. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or additional steps that might be required to finalize the transfer. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated the transfer of your domain from Crazy Domains to GoDaddy. Remember, if at any point you feel stuck, both Crazy Domains and GoDaddy have excellent support teams ready to assist you. Transferring the domain might seem daunting at first, but with these steps, you've made it much more manageable. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your domain transfer.